SheFi is the most tangible manifestation of creating a space where women in crypto feel welcomed, feel supported, and feel feminine. So that's why it's an important space to create. It's also really focused on continuing to learn and come together and feel like they're a part of something bigger than just an online community. So I want to tell the women in Web3, I want to tell the women in tech, it is all possible. There is space for you here. You can learn new things. And I just really want people to know that they're empowered to always be reinventing themselves and always be learning.